Hi, good morning, friends. Long back, I was silent during 1.5 years. I not able to make any video, but today I going to plan. I want to plan, or I want to show you some set of videos related to WordPress tutorial for beginner. So I used to plan. I will make 4 to 5 videos to cover up the whole things for beginner, and I think it will help you a lot. Not only you will able to learn, but also you can build professionally website and earn some money from it. And if you have any query, any problem related to that, you can freely comment me. Feel free to comment me, and I will help you what I can. So don't wasting the time. I enter to the main topic. Today in this video, WordPress tutorial for beginner part 1, we will learn what is domain, what is web hosting, installing WordPress, installing theme on WordPress, installing plugin. Different type of plugin is available in WordPress. Whatever you want, whatever you think, you can able to find the plugin in WordPress. So we can learn how to install that very easy way, and finally we creating a home page. So this is the first part. In second part, more elaborately I tell the according to related to the Elementor and professional homepage design. So just start. What is domain? See, domain is a address. Domain is a address like our home address. In case of web, suppose whatever we type like www. Here, just to take an example of my student's website, he built, that is delopainterhomestay.com. So this is our domain. So you have to purchase that domain from our domain hosting company. Maybe in a GoDaddy hosting, a lots of are available here. You can survey from where the rate is slightly below. You go with that, nothing else. Every company have a same thing, same service you will get. Okay, so this is a address like your home address, domain. And another thing parallel to it is hosting. Hosting means tax you paid in your municipality or any government related. So that address should be hosted somewhere. That domain should be hosted somewhere. So you need a hosting company. Mostly from where you purchase the domain, they are provide the hosting also. But for my case, I use hosting at their server very good. That is host for Greeks. I use that for at least 5 years, and I am satisfied. You can purchase the domain from here also. For that, to search the domain, you can go here. You can search it here like anything is WordPress. You can type and check whether it is available or not. WordPress tutorial in yes, it is available, and see the price also shown in India, that is 899 and plus taxes. So it comes around 1056 rupees. So in that way you can add it, and when you go for checkout, so it give you the option you want to purchase the hosting also or not. And if you have a hosting in different company, not worry, you purchase from here and you change the name server of your domain with your hosting provider. So in that way we can purchase a domain and we can host it in your hosting company. So what is domain? Domain is the address, web address of your destination or of your platform, like our home. And what is web hosting? We have to pay the tax for 1 year to maintain that, like we give in our municipality. So these two, I think you got the answer in what is domain and what is web hosting. Now the next part will come installing WordPress. It is also very easy now, but before 5 to 6 years it was a little bit difficult, because that time we used to do the manually. But now the lots of web software is available over here, so you can use any of them and you can install WordPress easily on your domain. How can we do? So when you go for hosting company, they will give you a cPanel. So cPanel looks like that. This cPanel will be built according to your domain name. See, this is my domain, cardellcdc.com, and for that domain they provide you a cPanel, and in a cPanel, see, there is a software, lots of software is there. So the first one is WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click on that. Now install. So for that tutorial I made one subdomain to show you how it do. So that is WordPress cardellcdc.com. Select that, and this is a folder. If you want to install the WordPress in particular folder, then name it, neither it delete it. For my case, I always delete that. And see, here you can give your user ID password like for showing, so I just keep it admin and pass. Okay, now click on that install, and you have to give a email ID for getting the email from a cPanel. Click on install. See, the start installing within a minute. Your WordPress installation is completed. But for a manual, lots of things we have to do. We have to make a separate database in MySQL, and in the same name we have to mention. We have to make a user to access that database. We have to give a permission. So lots of doing. After that, we have to upload the WordPress and extract it in a domain. So a little bit difficult. On nowadays, every cPanel provider is give you a platform of a cPanel Softaculous. So it is very easy. Just wait for a minute, 1 or 2, then it will install automatically. See, the installation process is completed. Now it gives you two URL. The first one is your website URL, and second one is the WordPress admin panel URL. So to create a post, maintain that, you have to click always name of your domain /wap.admin. So it is a WordPress control panel URL. Click on that. For me, it automatically logged in, but if it is not, I show you what you have to do. It come like that page. You have to give your user ID, that is admin, and the password we kept pass. Remember me, and logged in. See, it will logged in automatically. Now we enter in a WordPress, we install it, and the next task for us is installing theme. Installing theme is our next task. So where are the themes we got? See, first another thing I want to show you first. If you open your website now, then what will come? See, it is come like that. Okay, no themes are by default. WordPress select a theme. For that, it come like that. So now we learn how to install a theme. For that, we have to go to appearance, go to themes, click on that. Now see, by automatically 2023 themes is automatically selected when we installed WordPress. Now we want to add new. Click on just add new. Astra is my favorite theme, so I do it that. Click on that installation. Now let's activate. it will activate. Why we use the Astra? Because in customization place, lots of things we can do in Astra. So click on customization, we can control everything over here. See, now for sidebar, we want single page themes like that. No sidebar we needed. Click on published once. Now go back, go for a site identity. Here you can put the site title and everything, logo. The site title was my blog. We want to change it. We want to change it by Wordpress. We can add my Wordpress blog was right. Okay. So you can change the tagline from here also and make it published. Now lots of things, you can create a menu from here. Lots of control is given in a customization field, and for making a header you can do that. From here also there is a header builder. You can change the position of your site title at above or below. Primary menu where you want, in above line you can do that, or below line you can do that, at medial you can do that, no problem on that. See that position, look at that, that position is moving. Okay na, this Astra title is moving. See, so everything can be customized by very easily in that platform of Astra. So that is why I use the Astra 3 and make it published. Now check, your earlier website was like that when you install the WordPress by default theme. Now make a refresh. See, this is coming, but by default Astra page is coming, not your page. So we have to make our home page. And before that, in our tutorial, one thing another we have to cover, that is installing plugin. So we go for that first. So now move to the next plugin. See here the plugin. Now check installing plugin. So those two plugins are by default installed by WordPress. You can delete that by like that, applying, it will be deleted, or you want to keep, no problem on that. Now for adding a plugin, you can add from here, you can upload the plugin and install it. Two ways there, but in my opinion, go for add plugin, not from beginning you upload the plugin. So for that, to show you, I select the Elementor because it will needed to build your website. See, the Elementor is coming and lots of accessories of Elementor also shown. So we go it first, install the Elementor. It has a free version, it has a pro version. From here you get a free version. Now if you purchase, then it will be converted in a pro version also. Now make it activate. See, your plugin is installed. In that way, whatever you want, you have to search that. See, I just show you like that. If you want to add a form in your website or web page, just type it from a form. See, lots of forms plugin will come. Lots, you may install any of them. So this is the advantage of WordPress. Whatever you want to implement in your website, the plugin is available. So suppose in case of form, I install that contact form 7 also, like that. It come, and the contact forms tab also is added in a left side bar. So this is our third second last thing, installing plugin. You already seen. Now creating a home page. So now our website does not have a specified home page. It is shows the default Astra home page. We want to change that. For that we have to create a page first. So go to the page, click add new, give a name home1, and here, without going for by default Wordpress editor, go with edit with Elementor. See it coming. See, now this is your Elementor. Now if you click on this plus sign, so lots of boxes are showing. Those are the column you want to implement your website. Suppose first we take a single column. See, the single column is added. Click the middle, and whatever block you want to display the video over here, you want to display the image over here, you want to display the text, something you can do. You can display the Google Map. Lots of option is there. I take a image block here and choose a image over there. I want to upload one image like that image. Click on that, it will automatically upload it and select. See, it will come to your website. See, the image is coming. Now we take a two column. Just want to show you how it works. We take a text heading and give a write it here Wordpress. So we can change the color of that, position of that, everything we can change. We want to make it black. So here, want to in center, we do that. Now in the second column, we take our, let's take a button and write press to learn. So you can hyperlink also. So you make a page where you illustrate the how to make a WordPress website, and this button will redirect to that page also. So it can be possible. Slowly I will show you everything. Okay, you want to it middle. We want to change the color also. It possible. See, the button color is green over here. If you want to make a blue, you can change the color from here. Okay, and published. So have a look on that. You first build your page like that. Now your task is not over. You have to make that page as a home page, because now also if you refresh, that the same page will display, not your page is coming. So for that you have to go to customize Astra theme again, and see there is a home page setting tab. Click on that. A static page is needed. Select your page you build, home1, and publish. Now refresh that page. See, your home page you set it. So you already learn to create a home page. Not like that super hi-fi type, but I will learn you hi-fi type in the next tutorial video. So for that, as a first video, that is enough. You learn step by step watching my video with that. And please, I request you subscribe my channel, because for a long time silence, after 1 or 2 years I come back to bring the more tutorial technical videos for you. So your support is needed. Please make a like and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, feel free to comment over here. I will ready to reply on it. Thank you so much.